heading into the Mount Hypipamee crater and Dinner Falls, which is down there. Just got to walk around and get down to it. Absolute beautiful bay. See it up through the canopy there. The crater. So cool. Nervous, my camera's going to fall off the stick and way down there. These guys. Where he's going? Somewhere. A bit of a goat track here. These big beauties. How's the power of it? It's getting louder. There it is. Out here, Dinner Falls. Absolutely beautiful. There's no one out here, it's even better. Well, keep going. Dinner Falls at Mount Hypipamee. Beautiful. Woo! Sensational.